Welcome back to Stock Market Analyzer channel. My name is Mike. So listen guys, what the hell is going on with Bitcoin? After months of weakness and uncertainty, Bitcoin has suddenly exploded higher, climbing back toward the $80,000 level. As of August 24th, Bitcoin is trading around $77,000 to $78,000, after gaining roughly 23% in just 1 week. But the bigger question isn't simply, why is Bitcoin going up? The real question is, can Bitcoin keep going up from here? And there are several reasons why the answer could be yes. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all notifications so you never miss future market updates and stock breakdowns. But before we get into the bullish case, remember, Bitcoin is extremely volatile, so let's look at what is actually driving this rally. First, your institutional money is coming back. One of the biggest developments is the renewed demand for US spot Bitcoin ETFs. Second, Bitcoin is benefiting from changing expectations around liquidity. Recently, the US Treasury announced plans to increase its purchases of longer-term government bonds. That helped push Treasury yields lower and improved risk appetite across financial markets. Bitcoin tends to perform better when investors expect financial conditions to become more supportive. And there is another important factor, the US dollar. Concerns about America's enormous debt and the purchasing power of fiat currencies are increasing demand for gold and Bitcoin. And that brings us to Bitcoin's biggest long-term advantage, scarcity. There will never be more than 21 million Bitcoin. Governments can create more dollars, central banks can change policy, but Bitcoin's supply is governed by its protocol. Even small demand increases have massive impact. Third, regulatory uncertainty is starting to decrease. The push for legislation such as the Clarity Act has helped create optimism that the rules could become more predictable. Large financial institutions don't want to invest if the regulatory environment is uncertain. But there's another reason this rally has been so powerful: momentum. When Bitcoin breaks important price levels, traders betting against it can be forced to buy to close their positions. This creates a feedback loop that pushes Bitcoin even higher. More buyers enter and the cycle continues. So can this continue? I think Bitcoin has a legitimate bullish case, but watch ETF flows, Fed policy, and Bitcoin's ability to hold its breakout. If it stays above these levels, the next major target could eventually become $100,000 again. So the question isn't simply, is Bitcoin going up? The more important question is whether capital is entering faster than Bitcoin is available to sell. Right now, the signals suggest the current rally is more than just a pump. Bitcoin may not be finished going up. So the question isn't simply, is Bitcoin going up? The more important question is whether capital is entering faster than Bitcoin is available to sell. Right now, the signals suggest the current rally is more than just a pump. Bitcoin may not be finished going up. So what do you think? Is this Bitcoin rally just getting started? Let me know in the comments below. So what do you think? Is this Bitcoin rally just getting started? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. See you next time.